iPhone 12 mini users report lock screen touch sensitivity issues. A significant number of new iPhone 12 mini owners are reporting lock screen sensitivity issues since receiving their phones. Specifically, the problem manifests for most users when swiping up from the bottom of the lock screen using their thumb to unlock the device, or when pressing the torch or camera buttons on the lock screen. Some users speculate that the lack of responsiveness could be a conductivity or grounding issue, because there are reports that it resolves itself when the handset is plugged into a wall charger, or when touching the frame without a case. A common theme across the complaints is that the iPhone is put into a case and is protected by a screen protector. For some people who thought the protector was being an issue, exchanging it for another didn't fix the issue, but removing it entirely did. In a few situations, using just the screen protector worked fine without the case, but the unresponsiveness manifested when a case was added to the mix.